in the presence of God to witness the renewal of the marriage, the vows taken by this couple, Bishop Clement Chinakwe and Reverend Evelyn Sisong, when they were united in holy marriage in August 1973. God is always pleased when we rededicate our lives and our homes by an act of worship. You will now please unite your right hands. Do you promise to renew the vows which you made when you were first united in marriage?
Yes, we do. We do.
Do you promise to continue to keep the vows and the covenant which you made at your wedding?
Yes, we do.
Do you promise to continue to cultivate your love for each other by discipline, understanding, trustfulness, compassion, thoughtfulness, patience, and mutual consideration?
Yes, we do.
Do you promise to endeavor to create a Christian environment in your home and to help each other to live godly lives in Christian service?
Yes, we do.
Because of the vows which you have renewed with each other and with God in the presence of these witnesses, let us now join in a prayer of dedication. I will invite all the men and women of God in the house to please come forward and join me. So I'll pray for them.